Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm David.
Hey David, nice to meet you. I'm Mark. Yeah, I'm new around here actually. Just moved to the city recently.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Mark. How are you finding it so far?
Thanks. It's been good. Still getting used to everything, but people seem friendly.
That's great to hear. If you need any tips on where to go or what to do, feel free to ask. I've been here for a while now.
Thanks, David. That's really kind of you. So, what do you do around here?
I work at a bookstore not too far from here. I've always loved books, so it's a perfect job for me. What about you? What do you do?
I'm in marketing. It's a new job for me, and I'm excited about it. I like the creative aspect of it, coming up with ideas that catch people's attention.
That sounds interesting. Marketing must be quite dynamic and challenging.
Yeah, it keeps me on my toes. But enough about work. What do you do for fun around here?
I enjoy exploring new cafes and parks. There are some really nice spots nearby. Have you had a chance to check out any cafes yet?
Not yet, but I'm looking forward to it. Any recommendations?
There's a cozy cafe just a block away from here that serves amazing coffee and pastries. It's a great place to relax and people watch.
That sounds perfect. I'll definitely give it a try. Do you have any favorite parks around here?
There's a lovely park with a pond and walking trails not too far from here. It's a peaceful spot to unwind after a busy day.
I'll have to check it out. I enjoy spending time outdoors. Are there any events or festivals coming up in the neighborhood?
Actually, there's a street fair happening next weekend with local vendors, live music, and food stalls. It's always a fun event to attend.
That sounds like a blast. I'll mark it on my calendar. Have you been to any interesting events like that around here?
Oh, definitely. The neighborhood hosts various events throughout the year, from art exhibits to cultural festivals. It's a vibrant community.
That's great to hear. I'm looking forward to exploring everything the neighborhood has to offer.
You'll love it, I'm sure. It's a diverse and welcoming place. Have you found it easy to meet new people since you moved here?
It's been okay. Meeting friendly people like you definitely makes it easier.
Ah, thanks. I'm glad to hear that. If you ever want to grab coffee or explore the city together, just let me know.
I'd really like that, David. It's nice to meet someone who knows the area well and is so friendly.
Likewise, Mark. It's always fun to show newcomers around and introduce them to new places.
Speaking of which, are there any local museums or galleries you'd recommend checking out?
There's a fantastic art gallery downtown with a mix of contemporary and traditional works. It's a great place to spend an afternoon.
I'll have to visit. I appreciate the recommendation. It sounds like a good way to immerse myself in the local culture.
Absolutely. And if you're into history, There's a small museum nearby that showcases the city's heritage.
That sounds intriguing. I'll have to add it to my list. Thanks for the suggestions, David.
Anytime, Mark. I'm here to help. Well, I should probably get back to work now. It was really nice meeting you.
Likewise, David. Thanks for the warm welcome and the great conversation. I look forward to seeing you around.
Take care, Mark. Enjoy exploring the bookstore and the neighborhood.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos.